everyone, meet again with us from Group 4. Today we will make a video to fulfill Group Task 4 from Miss Fanny. We will do in English debate. Our group consists of me, Nisha, who will act as a moderator. Then there will be two teams, namely affirmative side, consisting Miss Devi and Miss Emma, and the opposition side, consisting of Miss Ade and Miss Erlyn. The affirmation side will play agree with the statement, while negative side will play disagree with the statement. I think that's it for the introduction of our group. Without wasting much time, let's start the English debate. So I'm Nessia as a moderator. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. This debate will come to order. I'm pleased to welcome you all to the Paramadina University English Debate Event 2024. The topic being debated today is social networking site are used for stalking instead of communication. Seated on our right represent boleh diulang boleh diulang nggak?
Miss, nggak apa-apa misalnya belibet nih, nggak apa-apa.
Hello everyone, meet again with us from Group 4. Today we will make a video to fulfill Group Task 4 from Miss Penny. We will doing English debate. Our group consists of me, Nesha Ayufarata Medlin. You can call me Nesha. And I will play as a moderator. Then there will be two teams, namely affirmative side consisting of Miss Devi Suci Febriana and Miss Emma, and the opposition side consisting of Miss Ade and Miss Erlyn. The affirmative side will play agree with the statement, while the negative side will play disagree with the statement. I think that's it for the introduction for our group. Without wasting much time, let's start the English debate. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. This debate will come to order. I'm pleased to welcome you all to the Paramadina University English Debate Event 2024. The topic being debated today is social networking. Sites are used for stalking instead of communicating. Stated on our right representing the affirmative side are Miss Devi Suci Febriana and Miss Emma Aulia Putri. Maybe Miss Devi and Miss Emma can do short introduction.
Okay. Hello, Miss Fanny and my friends. My name Devi Suci Febriana. I am from affirmative side. And
Hello.
then, my friends.
Hello, my name is Emma Aulia Putri. We are an affirmative group aside or Mr. Devi.
Okay, thank you, Miss Devi and Miss Emma. Say hi to audience.
Hello.
Okay, speaking for the opposition side are Miss Ade Purwati and Miss Erlyn Emanuela. Miss Ade and Miss Erlyn, maybe you can also do a short introduction.
Thank you. First of all, let me introduce my team. My name is Ade Purwati as the first speaker and third speaker. From opposition side, I'll deliver the reason of us being contrary with this topic and cancel our arguments. Here is my friend Erlyn Emanuela as the second speaker. She will deliver the arguments on the contra side. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Ade and Miss Erlyn, say hi to audience.
Hi.
Hi. And I'm Nisha Ayukarita. I will be your moderator for today's debate. So, for the first round, the first speaker of each group will introduce the team and point out the reason of being pro or contra to the topic given. And for the second round, the speaker from each group will deliver the speech to express your opinion about the topic, and the other group can give the arguments. And finally, the last speaker from each group will conclude your opinion. The third round will be question and answer session. Each group will ask a question to the other groups and the other group has to answer the question. And lastly, the moderator will give a conclusion from those arguments by two teams. So let's move to the round one. Now, the first speaker from the affirmative team to explain the topic. The time is yours.
Thanks for the time that gives to us to participate in this debate. Let me introduce my team. My name is Devi Suci Febriana as the first speaker and the third speaker. I will deliver our reason to be pro with this topic and conclude our opinion. And my friends, Emma Aulia Putri, as second speaker, she will deliver the arguments in the pro side. We choose to be pro with this topic because nowadays social networking site is very popular. There are many positive and negative impacts from this site on the internet. We are agree that social networking sites nowadays are used for stalking instead of communicating. After discussing this topic, we hope that we can increase the positive side and decrease the bad effect.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Devi. That's the opinion from the affirmative team. And it's time for the first speaker of the negative team to give your opinion. The time is yours.
Thank you, Miss Nesia. Actually, we never realized that social networks are used for stalking rather than communicating. The social network is a social structure made up for individuals or groups to be connected by one or more specific types of relationships, such as friendship, kinship, and also included sexual relationships or relationships or beliefs, knowledge, or prestige. Okay.
Okay, that's the opinion from negative team. And I think that is enough for round one. Let's move to the round two. The next turn is from the second speaker of the affirmative team to give your argument. The time is yours.
Hello, my Emma. Yeah, social network has many bad effects for students. In education sector, it can reduce time for study. Through the internet and other social networking sites, students will forget about time. They waste their time in social networking. In the social network, we can also find some unnecessary data due to of supervision from parents, such a porn image or videos that should not be seen by teenagers.
Okay, thank you, Miss Emma. How about the argument from negative team? For the second speaker of negative team, the time is yours.
Thank you, Ms. Nisha. Well, we know that social network have many positive impact. In educational sector, there are some benefits, such as learning discussion media. Many students sometimes feel like they can solve their tasks. So they can solve their problem by discussions in social network with their friends or another people who could help.
Stalking on social media can trigger crime. Social media networks such as Facebook or Instagram often ask users to provide personal information such as location, date of birth, and personal interests. This information can be used by someone to stalk someone easily. Many social networking applications use the geolocation features to display the user's location. This allows one to know where the user is located, which could be missed. Despite effort to ensure user privacy, many people are unaware of the potential security risks when sharing information on social networking platforms, which will certainly provide an opportunity for stalkers to gain access to sensitive information.
Okay, thank you, Miss Devi. Another advantage is social network can increase creativity. Given this social networking, we can accelerate our work to attract the attention of other users. Way, we will be stimulated to increase our skills. For example, by writing an article or on a social media. It will increase communication among users, even enrich language skills because of the possibility to make contact with everyone from different parts of the world.
Thank you, Mr. Ade. As everyone knows, the excessive social networking can also have a very bad impact. One people's lifestyle, they become lazy to communicate in the world. Because they are too busy stalking, they are more interested in their new friends and social network rather than ear surrounding in improvement. In the end, this will make people more selfish. Moreover, they don't even want to empathize with their real life environment. They're sensitive to the surrounding environment is killed by their enjoyment of their friends on social networking sites.
Thank you, Miss Emma. From the lifestyle sectors, we can also find a lot of advantage from the social network. Through the social network, people can develop a sense of independence and increase positive self-expression. We know that nowadays there are many kinds of groups on social network that offer join them. We can independently join the group if we feel that it brings the positive impact to ourselves. For example, we can join the group that has an activity for helping victims of natural disease. In addition, social network can increase solidarity among users. We can communicate with other users continuously. So, there will be a high sense of brotherhood among them. Besides, social network also can help to increase critical thinking and making decisions.
Okay, time is up. All arguments have been given, and now please provide your conclusion for the speaker for affirmative team, and time is yours.
Okay, Nesha. From these arguments, we can conclude that stalking on social network is not good. There are many negative impacts not only on education and lifestyle, but also on their sectors of life. Until now, there are many victims of social media crimes. Almost everyone was thus their time doing something that is not useful for themselves. This can damage their brain function, and worse, it could damage the moral attitude of our country.
Okay, thank you, Ms. JP, for the conclusion. Next, what about the conclusion from the negative team? Let the speaker provide your conclusion. The time is yours.
Thank you, Ms. Nisha. To conclude, social network has a lot of advantages in life. Social network has also made people's life easier in many sectors, such as education, lifestyle, and relationship among people. That impact can easily be prevented by using it wisely. Thank you.
Well done. Next to the round three, the next session is question and answer. The first question is from affirmative team. The time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Nesha. I have a question for us to discuss together. Is stalking social media itself a criminal act and can be punished?
Okay, it's enough for the negative team. Please respond the question. The time is yours.
Thank you for your question, Miss Devi. It depends on the purpose. Stalking is a criminal act that a person can commit. It is not absolute. It only has element of violence or threats because it is possible that the actions carried out by the perpetrator are simply following the victim, not amounting to violence or crime.
Okay, thank you, Miss Erlyn. And next, the next turn is from negative team to ask some question for the affirmative team. The time is yours.
Okay. Nowadays, social media networks can have both good and bad impacts of their users. What is actually the main factor when we use social media more for stalking?
Thank you, Miss Ale, for the question. And for the affirmative team, please respond the question.
Thank you, Mr. Nesha. In my opinion, factors include excessive curiosity about other people's lives, jealousy, or even excessive interest in someone. This can also be influenced by loneliness, the desire to compare oneself with others, or even need to seek out certain information.
Well done. The question and answer session has finished. From this debate, we can conclude that social networking actually has many benefits for society if we use it well. On the other hand, it can also have a negative impact on people's life if we use it excessively and without awareness. I, as a moderator, apologize if there are any mistake in my speech or behavior, either intentionally or unintentionally. Thank you all for your attention and see you next time.